Being at home more often, I'm always looking for new ways for my kids to have fun. We love getting them outside and letting out some energy, but our options are limited now. Between distancing requirements and at home learning, I'm limited on what my kids can do. Thankfully, we found this awesome swing on Amazon from Hazli that was easy to assemble and our kids love it. We got this to keep them entertained right in our backyard. The swing attached quickly and easily to a sturdy tree in our yard, and the kids love it. They're always outside swinging and love spending time on it together. Even when they're apart, they like going out on it with me to tell me about their school day. It's a great way for all of us to bond. Better yet, I'm even able to hop on and go for a swing from time to time. I'll sometimes take a book or a magazine out with me and sit for a while to enjoy the breeze. This has been an awesome addition to our house. Honestly, I just wish we had bought it sooner. It'll be great for years to come. The construction seems really well done. I highly recommend the Hazli Saucer Swing to anyone looking for a fun outdoor activity for the family.